So full transparency, I think summer styling was pretty difficult for me up until recently. For seasons, fall, winter, spring, pretty simple. I could just do a suit and tie to work. If I wanted to do maybe a hoodie, bomber jacket, outside of work, like a weekend casual kind of thing, I could do that. But summer, like when the temperatures got like really hot, I was like, okay, what do I do? So I think for me, summer styling, I look to trends, but I also look at like what I like what I enjoy. Like polos are really trending right now. So breaking down this look right here, it's like a retro 50s inspired kind of look, and it's something that I wear to work, it's something I could wear at the airport, it's something that I could wear during the weekend or after hours or like a cocktail hour. And first thing I thought of is color coordination. Like it's very simple, it's just black and white. Black and white in the glasses, black and white in the polo. This is a Johnny collar polo, so it's more open, more breathable. It has stripes of white in the sleeves, and then the collar too, the Johnny collar. And the pants are white, and I'll stand up. White pants for contrast, and then the loafers are black and white. These are from Amazon Fashion. Pants are from H&M. I had them tailored in the waist, just so they fit a little more snug. And then the socks are also black. So like it's straightforward, but like it works. It works in a lot of different settings. And I try to just consider with my summer styling now, comfort, fit, style, and then like where am I going? Like am I going to the office? Am I going to a restaurant? Am I going to like date night with my wife? Like what works? So my formula for the summer for the most part is either something like this with a polo, trousers or shorts, loafers or sneakers, or something like a tank top, open collar polo, or a shirt like that, like a linen shirt, dress shirt kind of thing, and then like sneakers. And when I say sneakers, I usually think like trainers. I have some really nice trainers that I wear to the office, or just like a simple white sneaker just to keep things pretty streamlined and clean.